Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be teaching you how to do your Facebook task on Hawkit. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video and also press the notification bell to get updates for new video. Okay guy, before you do your task. Here is Hawkit dashboard where your task is sent. You will see pending task. Click on see pending task. It will bring you to your task area. Now, you click on do now. This is your task instructions area. Please you are advised to read the instructions before you continue with the task. Once you finish reading you click on visit link. It will take you to the page of the person Hawkit asks you to like or follow. Follow or like the page as instructed by Hawkit. Screenshot the page displaying the following or like button. Like this. Then, go back to task instructions area on your Hawkit app. Click to upload. Locate the screenshot of that page from Facebook and upload it. Now, write the name of your Facebook account here. Continue by clicking on upload proof. You will receive a message from Hawkit saying that you have done your task and it will be verified. Congratulations. Just check your Hawkit dashboard under pending amount. You will see that Hawkit have credited your account and once it is verified it will move to your wallet amount.